Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is 7 proven passive income ways to make $1,000 a day. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash the subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So now let's dive right into the video and 7 proven ways to make $1,000 with passive income. Now, quick disclaimer, you can make way less than $1,000, you can make way more. It really depends on your work ethic, how fast you learn and everything like that. However, you really do not want to get discouraged because that's the most common way that people actually stop and quit trying to make money online. So even if you are not making any money with any of these at first, then you actually want to stick to it anyway. So the very first one is apps. I've made some money with apps before. This was actually the first way that I started to make money online. So apps absolutely work. Now, the best way I believe with apps is to actually make some games. So you can do ads, because that's the way that I did most of my apps when I was doing that back in the day. So ads actually still exist, and by the way, I'm still making some money even though I haven't touched an app in a while. So that's a proper passive income. So what you can do is run ads, and then you can pay to update. I don't suggest that paying to actually download an app, because that's going to be very hard to actually build an audience. But if you have a game and you actually pay to update, then that's a really good way. You know how you download all these apps and then you pay to get premium? That's a very good way. Or get some coins if you're into a game or something like that. Have something that you can upgrade to, and you actually have to pay, and have the app for free in the beginning. That's a very good way. Ads is a good one as well, but you do have to have quite a big audience to actually make some proper income with that. But it does absolutely work, and I'm the proof of that. So apps absolutely work. This is the very first one. The next one is dropshipping. Again, I've made some money with that as well. So dropshipping is something where you actually have a product, but you don't actually own the product. So what you do is you have a website, which is usually Shopify, because that's probably the best platform to actually do that. And you put some anything on that website that you want to sell, and then it gets shipped from China most of the time, but you can do that from other countries as well, and get it to the client. So as soon as the client orders it, you order it for them from AliExpress or whatever, and then it gets sent straight to them. So you don't even see the product, but you actually make a commission from that, and it really depends on how much you want to upmark the product. But usually you can make some quite good margins with that. I know I did, and it absolutely works, because the products in China are extremely cheap if you find a good product, and you can actually absolutely make some money with that. The next one is SMMA, so social media marketing agency. I believe this is the fastest way to actually make some money. And I haven't done this before, but I know a ton of people that have made this, and it's absolutely works. So people just, you know how to run Instagram, you know how to run Facebook ads, YouTube ads, whatever. And all you do is you go to find someone that actually a doctor or someone that actually makes some money. Go and see them with their business and tell them that you can actually get some clients. And if every client pays them $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, if you can get them 2,000, like if you can give them 10 clients, then they'll be more than happy to pay you quite a lot of money, like for every client. So you don't even have to have a lot of clients. All you have to do is actually know how to run an ad and just get like 3 people in the door. And that can actually make quite a bit of money. Now you go and see some companies that actually, or some small companies that make quite a lot of money per client, because if you're just doing that for a company that makes $2 per sale and they're trying to make as many sales as possible, it's going to be a lot harder for them to actually pay you like $1,000 per client, because it's absolutely not worth it. So make sure that you go and see a client that sells basically expensive products or services. The next one is investments. Now, investments can go like all over the place. You can do that with no matter how much money you have. And I'm not going to go into detail too much about that, because this is not my something that I know a lot about. However, investing, just like learn how to do whatever you're going to invest in. Don't just invest like blankly into something, like blindly I should say, into anything before you actually know how to do it. Whether it's, you know, something small, maybe you're trying to like buy stocks or something like that, or maybe you're trying to buy real estate. No matter what, you have to actually learn a lot about it, because otherwise you're just going to get screwed. So make sure that you know something about what you're about to invest in, and that can absolutely make you some money. And there are a ton of videos on YouTube about that, so you just have to check this out if this is something that interests you. The next one is Amazon Kindle publishing. Kindle publishing is something that's, you know, not very known as compared to like Amazon FBA, which is another one. But Amazon Kindle publishing is something that, you know, you just have to write a book, and again, you don't even have to write the book yourself. All you have to do is find someone to write a book that, you know, you want to sell, and then just, you know, use Amazon to sell it. Now again, I haven't done this before, but I do know a lot of people that do that. One of those people is Stephen James, which is, I believe the YouTube channel is called, wait for it, I forgot what it is called, but I'll try and put it on the screen. So you can check that out, and he's made quite a lot of money doing that at first. I don't believe he still does this, but he absolutely knows what he's talking about. So Amazon Kindle is another one. The next one is building a YouTube channel, and this is what I'm doing right now. Now, a YouTube channel is, there's a million different ways to make some money. You can sell merch, you can sell all these things, and you can actually get some money with ads as soon as you have over 1,000 subscribers. So one of the best ways to actually make some money with YouTube is recurring affiliate programs. So recurring affiliate program is something that actually pays you, like something that people actually pay monthly. So if someone pays monthly for a product or a service, then you're going to get paid every single month as long as these people are staying on. So if you get 10 people 1 month, you're making like, I'm just doing that, like say $500, and then you get another 10 people the next month, and instead of making $500 again, you're making 1,000, and then you do that this next month and you're making 1,500, and it just piles up all the time, and you're putting in the exact same effort that you're doing since the beginning. So that is a very, very good way to do it. So if you want to have like something like this, I have a link in the description on my #1 recommendation, which you can check out. You don't even have to buy from it, but that will give you an idea on how you actually have to build it, because you actually have to build a sales funnel, and that is a great way to do it. So if you want to check an affiliate product that's actually recurring, and there are very few out there, make sure that you check this one out. This one is, I believe, the best one. and I actually use this every single day, so that is a great way to do it. So I hope that you found some value in these like proven ways. Like these actually are proven ways to make passive income, and you can make $1,000, 10,000, 100,000. I've seen people make millions doing like pretty much any of these. So actually like all of these. So like all of these actually work, but you do have to put in the work to actually get it. So make sure that you don't give up right from the start, because it actually does take some time to grow, but it's 100% worth it. So with that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.